Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious funnel cake using pancake mix. It's a simple and fun treat to prepare right in your own kitchen. First, gather your essential ingredients: 1 cup of pancake mix, 3/4 cup of water, and about 2 inches of vegetable oil for frying. You will also need a funnel or a piping bag to create those iconic swirls. Now, let's prepare our batter. In a medium bowl, combine 1 cup of your favorite pancake mix with 3/4 cup of water. Whisk these ingredients together until the mixture is smooth and free of any lumps. The goal is a consistency that is thick enough to hold its shape but still easily pourable through your funnel. If it's too thick, add a tiny bit more water. If too thin, a spoonful of mix. With your batter ready, it's time to fry. Heat about 2 inches of vegetable oil in a deep pot or electric fryer to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully pour the batter through your funnel or piping bag into the hot oil, creating a continuous, overlapping spiral pattern. Fry each funnel cake for about 1 minute per side, or until it achieves a beautiful golden brown color and is cooked through. Once your funnel cake is perfectly golden, carefully remove it from the oil and place it on a plate lined with paper towels to absorb any excess oil. For that classic, irresistible taste, generously dust your warm funnel cake with powdered sugar. But don't stop there. Feel free to get creative with toppings like fresh berries, a dollop of whipped cream, or a drizzle of chocolate syrup. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.